Secret. I got a secret. Let's play a secret mage.
Jaina versus Anduin.
The light shall bring victory.
Okie dokie. Opening hand. Do we have... Alright, we got one secret. Oh, that's a 3 cost. We'll go ahead and keep that. So we do have a pretty high mana curve. So... hit with a fireball. I might save my token for the next turn here.
One shot, one.
Battle cry. Discover a secret from another class. Sure, why not?
Were you followed?
After your opponent plays a minion. Ooh, to attack it. Zombies! So that's all we're gonna do.
We must cleanse the Sunwell.
Should have killed it when I had the chance. But that's okay. Do the zombie. Oh, let's see. Should I have not done that? We'll use the hero power. We'll get him for 1. Alright. Nice. Very nice. So if you control a secret, we need to put a secret out there first before casting that. When your hero is attacked, gain 8 armor.
What to do? What to do?
What to do? Cleric's Blessing. We ain't worried about that.
Count your blessings, mate.
Got a taunty. Sweepy Dragon. That's 9. I ain't gonna see him. So we're up to 5. So we kinda, So we need to put a secret out there. So that's gonna kill that card. That kind of screws me.
They're on to us.
Job's done. Someone called for the
Good lord. A lot of stuff out there. Fireball. So now we have shit. This mana curve is just way too high. That card is attacked. Draw a card. So we kind of need to wipe that thing out. That's about all I can do.
Count your blessings, mate.
Oh shit. Good game.
Well played.
So this secret hand is not doing me any flavor flavs. So we're just gonna... It's too high of a curve. We're just gonna concede that.
You win this.
We're gonna move on. That's disappointing.
Wait, there's more.
Alrighty, on the opening hand, we go first.
You asked for it.
Who in the hell was that? Mage Dracus. So we got a 2 adjacent minions. We have a secret, 2 secrets, and that. So, is this clown? 6 damage.
Job's done.
You know, take candle.
Counts.
The food is getting cold.
Oh. Put a hero or a secret out there for my hero.
Ha! Let's feast.
Do that.
Ready to ride.
There goes that one. At the end of your turn, draw a secret.
Guess who?
Job's done.
Struggle.
Nice.
I'm not ready.
Vendor. Adjacent minions, 1/1 and taunt. Spell damage +1. I'm kind of wanting to wipe that thing out, maybe. Or
My shield for Argus.
Do Re Murgle.
Job's done.
Struggle. You know, take candle.
oh, the next secret you play costs 0.
It'll be our little secret.
After your opponent plays a minion. Fireball deals 6 damage. Adjacent minions have +1 attack.
Job's done.
Now what you gonna do?
I'm not ready.
Someone call for the doctor.
No, take candle.
After your opponent plays a minion, deal 7 damage to it, and any excess to the hero. 3. Alright. Oh. Battle cry, draw a secret.
An incredible discovery.
When your opponent plays a minion, counter it. So, 2/2. Kind of wanna. Yeah, let's get rid of that guy. Poof. Poof. Sleepy Dragon. Night night.
I found it first.
Very nice. Haunt.
Tadingo! Yes!
I ain't talking.
What is this secret? Your opponent casts a spell, counter it. Battle cry, draw another secret.
An incredible discovery.
Oh shit. I must be out of secrets. So we gotta wipe. Let's do this.
I found it first. Me talk, me talk.
Attic taunt.
Access denied.
Oh boy. Alright, that was a little better. Got a little bit of a flow going now that we got some lower. Oh. Oh.
Holy fuck knuckles, I am high as a kite right now.
What? Oh? God damn. Okay.
Are you interrupting my meal?
You asked
Opening hand. We get an extra card, so we have 2 secrets. Taunt and an adjacent giver of the taunts. Okay. So that's a 2 cost, so I get to play 2 cards for that. I like that.
Time runs out on me.
Oh, time running out.
It'll be our little secret.
Oh, I want to save that one. I do think that's one I want to save. Excess, and it goes to their hero too. Okay. Secret?
Incredible discovery.
Oh my.
Just between us.
Ready to ride.
Yeah, I kind of wish I would have played that card. So we have 3.
Just between us.
Job's done.
Next one will have 4.
I'm not ready.
Ooh. Down to 20. Ejection. So we can do that, and end of your turn, draw a secret. When your opponent plays a minion, counter it.
Just between us. Sparkle.
Should get poof. I love that. Right, so now we need to get some taunters out there.
Access denied.
Throw that one over there.
Just between us. Sparkle. For Najata.
Oh, adjacent minions have 1 attack. Plus 1 attack, so we'll throw that in there. After an enemy minion attacks, summon. Do that.
Just between us.
There, that there, and that's a divine shield.
Job's done.
That was a fair trade. Took care of that. Two in a row. Use 3. 8 armor. And give adjacent minions +1 taunt.
My shield for Argon.
Just between us.
Job's done.
Tied up, bitches.
I'm flying.
Oh, it's almost Sleepy Dragon time. Taunt, infuse 1. Destroy all enemy secrets.
The food is getting cold.
Well, I may as well put that out there.
To the breach.
Oh, 5. Game over. Hell yeah. Bye-bye.
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 Okie dokie. What do we got?
For it.
Get an extra card. So we have a one secret, another one that draws secrets, another one that makes it 0, and another one that's at the end of your turn if you control a secret. That's some secret shit. Greetings.
Hello.
Oh, hello. The fuck was that? End of your turn. Oh, the perfect card.
Guess who? Sparkle.
We're gonna have so many secrets up in this bitch. Unless it kills that. Hopefully he don't kill that. Taunt. So we have 2. What do we got as far as 3 cards? Ooh. So the next secret you play costs 0, so we can put that out
It'll
there.
be our little secret.
Act gain 8 armor. After an enemy minion attacks your hero, summon a copy of it.
Time runs out on me.
Do-Re Murgle. Sparkle.
How long is that dude frozen for? Okay, so if we do, at the end of your turn, if you control a secret, deal 2 damage to all enemies. Draw a secret.
What to do? What to do?
An incredible discovery!
The food is getting cold!
Do-Re Murgle. Sparkle.
Counterspell. Opponent plays a minion, counter it. Kind of want to save that for a little higher up. Control secret, dude. Two. Put that one in like that. Taunt. One in there. Hopefully you don't have a board wipe.
Our little secret.
Got a board wipe. I'm kinda hosed.
Just between us.
Do-Re Murgle.
Ha! Let's feast! Job's done.
Sparkle.
Sparkle! Still don't know what that is. I didn't get to read that. chill ass music. Okay, now what do we do? This is kind of annoying. So we only have 5. Let's do objection, because he's probably got a decent card in there somewhere.
I found it first, just between us.
Sparkle! So I must have done all my secrets. No, I thought I had more than that. Board wipe. Well played. Sleepy dragon. Oh. Night night. Night night. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Thanks for playing. Right. Okay. How many secrets can we do? Draw a secret. We got one. That's not even a secret. That's a draw secret. It's alright. I think I do want to add that other one crystal card that sucks secrets out of your deck every time at the end of the turn. It's a fun little card.
Job's done.
Job's done. Bad job. He gets all bringing out a worm. I haven't seen this. Oh. He's got secrets. Sweet. An
incredible discovery.
Job's done.
So what kind of secrets do we have going on with him? I need to kill that card's what I need to do. No, wait, do we want to do that? We got 3. Taunt, Divine Shield. Taunt, Shield the back, or do we want to put a secret out?
What to do? What to do?
I need to kill that thing. shit.
Well played.
Okay. What is this? If you control a secret, summon a copy of this. Bonk. You have served me well, scuttlebutt. Eh. So we could basic menu 1-1 and taunt. It's taunt but can't
What to do?
attack.
What to do?
Destroy all enemy secrets. So he's got one in there.
It'll be our little secret.
Oh, I didn't have any secrets in there. Damn it. That's... Goofed. It's okay. Got to read. Oh. Guess who's gonna eat your secrets, bitch?
The living drop all kinds of things.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh my, oh no. Oh dear. Oh. Woo. Secret, secret. We got some secrets.
The food is getting cold!
Just between us.
Job's done.
What you gonna do? What you doing? Costs one less for each friendly secret that has triggered this game. Friendly secret, okay. Taunt, can't attack.
You will not come closer!
Taunt, divine shield. Let's play it smart here and
Ha! That's
Just between us. Delicious.
let's just save that. Just in case he has some sort of a board wipe. He might not ever pop this secret. He's gonna have to go through 3 blockers. Oh. What kind of secret you got?
A kraken? Now the fun begins.
Taunt and Divine Shield.
What
Give
to do?
adjacent.
What to do?
My shield for Argon.
Just between us. Delicious.
Ah, let's feast!
Someone's out on me.
So we know if we attack him directly. I wonder what that secret is.
Arcane arrows, fill the sky!
Okay.
A kraken? Now the fun begins.
You got something just stupid crazy here. I don't. What you got?
Time moves quickly.
Do I even wanna? Bye bye.
Adios, amigo.
I must protect
Okie
the wild.
dokie. What do we
You asked
got?
for it.
Anonymous informant. The next secret you play. 0. You can put an explosive rune out there right away. Okay. So that last game was a little tense, man. We went up against a secret dude.
Job's done.
It's kind of frustrating when you start seeing secrets popping up, so I get, you know, people maybe playing a deck heavy like this are gonna be like, oh shit.
Time waits for no one.
Kinda wasted that one. Battle cry, draw a secret, or after your opponent plays a minion, deal 6 damage to it. Haunt and Divine Shield.
An incredible discovery.
Job's done.
Draw a secret. Minion attacks your hero, summon a copy of it. Attack the enemy hero. So that's kind of a late game. Got 3. Next secret you play costs 0. Okay, so we get two for 1. So put that there.
Little secret.
Let's go for some damage.
I found it first.
Job done.
1 attack this turn and 1 armor. I don't have much experience with the druids. Other 20, other than like EverQuest. I haven't played them much here. So we could hit him for 6 damage right off the bat. After an enemy minion attacks your hero. Maybe get him down.
What to do? What to do?
I found it first.
Just between us.
Job's done.
Play minion. So we got a taunt. Secret: after an enemy minion attacks your hero, summon a copy of it.
You will not come closer.
I found it first.
Just between us.
Which one I keep forgetting after your minion plays in. Okay, so I need him to play something. And next turn we might throw that one out there. Bye-bye. Seven armor. Not too shabby. So what were we gonna do here? Put that secret there. Gain 8 armor. 2 of us can do the armor trick.
Just between
I found it first.
Bum, bum, bum. Not quite sure I understand the significance of that. Just making them draw a card.
I ain't talking.
The Earth Mother is near.
Didn't that kind of help him? Maybe? I don't know.
I found it first.
just between
Give that minion a
us.
turn to get
Job's
ready.
done.
see how he plays this.
My fire be burned.
Random enemy.
All upon us. Die, insect.
Taunt, big boy taunt, or
I wonder.
troll a secret. That might come in handy. 'Cause he's gonna bop me on the head here. Don't know if that's gonna trigger.
Me talk. I found it first.
Just between us.
Oh, he's down to 1. I like that card. Or what did that? Is it this? No. Oh, that was kind of weird. Kinda don't even want to fuck around. Peacing out. Alright. That was a good game. That was fun. I think another round or two and he might have whooped my ass. So anyway, if you guys like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And leave me a comment. Got any suggestions or you want to see some matches? These are a lot of fun. I'm actually enjoying Hearthstone quite a bit now. So until next time, hoorah!